Hey fam, I have another box today. I think I'm getting 3 more deliveries after this, but let's see what this is. From the online business affiliate store. Ooh, my hat. My sexy nerds hat. Let's see. Have to get used to wearing hats. Oh well. Doesn't really go with what I'm wearing. Let's see. And let's see. This must be my sexy nerd shirt. Well, I'm not going to change right in front of you here, so I'll do another video after, but this is it. I know it's backwards because I'm doing a selfie video, but it says sexy nerds. So I'll put that on and it will go. Yes, I have pajamas on, I know. It'll go so good with this pink hat though. See, check out the hat. And the shirt has the same logo. All right, I'll see you guys later. Just wanted to show you another unboxing coming hopefully tomorrow.